What exactly are you wearing?
I'm sorry.
You look like you have a swimsuit on to me.
No, it's not a swimsuit, and I did not know this was a court date. I just told the lady back there that I'm not dressed properly for court at all.
Really? Yes, you are not. I agree with that 100%. That's very insulting to me, that you would come into my courtroom dressed like that.
I apologize. I had no idea it was in as a visit and not a court date. So I was unaware that this was a court date. Because she wrote on the back of the car, a visit. So it was never said that this was a court date.
What's up, fellas, man? This your boy, Master Capone. Now, this woman showed up in a bonnet and it looked like she got on some pajamas or something like that. But, lady, they didn't summon you to court to shoot the shit with you. And even if let's just say it was a visit. Let's just say it was a visit. You don't show up to court with a bonnet on and a nightgown. I mean, like, guys, whenever they refer to black people to low IQ, this is what they're talking about. This is the shit that they're talking about. Shit like this. I mean, seriously, this woman ain't got the sense enough to come to court dressed appropriately. I mean, seriously, she could at least just put her hair in a ponytail and wore a t-shirt and some jeans. She could at least did that. This woman actually showed up in a bonnet and a damn nightgown. Are you fucking serious?
All right, this is case number 23CR 40542, the state of Ohio versus Monique Smith. Ms. Smith, the court has received a report that alleges that you have violated the terms of your ILC. Officer, statement of the allegation, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Smith has violated ILC condition number 1, and then on June 11th of 2025, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of OVI and 1 count of driving under suspension. This was in Middletown. And then on June 11th, the defendant pled guilty and was sentenced for another count of driving under suspension under a different case number, also in Middletown. On December 10th, 2024, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of driving under suspension, or under an OVI suspension under a case in Middletown. And on July 12th, 2024, the defendant pled guilty to and was sentenced for 1 count of driving under suspension. As well as ILC condition number 8, the defendant has failed to inform her probation officer of law enforcement contact after picking up a new OVI charge and another traffic offense on March 24th of 2025. Special condition number 16C, the defendant failed to complete drug or alcohol treatment as ordered on February 1st of 2024. Special condition 16D, the defendant has failed to complete mental health treatment as ordered on February 1st, 2024. Special condition 16E, to date, the defendant has failed to pay restitution in full as ordered on February 1st, 2024. And finally, special condition 16F, to date, the defendant has failed to obtain her GED as ordered on February 1st, 2024.
Guys, now she got all that on her, and she's decided to show up to court like this. Man, god damn, this woman is making a hell of a lot of bad decisions. Fuck, man. I hope she don't have children. I'm pretty sure she probably does, but I hope she doesn't have children. I feel sorry for them little poor bastards. Wow, this woman, this is a very incompetent, low IQ woman. I mean, seriously, this is a very low value woman. Once again, guys, when they refer to black people as low IQ, this is what they're talking about. And unfortunately for us black people, we get generalized for what a small group of people did. That's how society. Wow, this lady, she's just making a whole bunch of bad decisions, man. This is crazy. I seriously hope she don't have children. I really hope so.
Ms. Smith, do you understand those allegations?
Yes, sir.
You have a right to be represented by counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint one for you. Do you have the funds to hire an attorney?
I do not.
Do you want me to appoint you one?
Yes, please.
Mr. Ball's handing you an affidavit of indigency that you need to sign.
Okay. Right above my name.
Why is she not in custody?
Your Honor, Ms. Smith, despite her noncompliance with...
Good question. I'm surprised she ain't in jail now. all that shit she got on her. Wow. She must have been living in one of these Democratic cities.
Court orders, she has continued to drug test negative, and she has appeared for order to reports after they were issued.
Thank God for that.
Thank you. All right, the court will find that you're indigent for the purposes of retaining counsel. The court will appoint attorney Roger Bouchard to represent you in this matter. Court finds that there's probable cause you have violated the terms of your ILC, and this matter is going to be set for final hearing. Ms. Smith, I don't know what you expect. Looking at your record, this isn't your first contact with the court, but I'm not sure what you've expected or what you have done in other courtrooms, but this is very different. I'm going to hold you to what I ordered you to do.
Yes,
So
sir.
you owe significant amount in restitution.
It's 11,433.
You have been on ILC for over a year. You have not done anything, and you continue to break the law. The next time you appear before me, you better have a solid plan in place, or you are going into custody. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You owe $11,000 to the victim in this case. You don't seem to care that I've ordered you to do things. You come to court dressed very inappropriately, and I'm telling you right now, I don't know what your contact with the court has been in the past, but it's going to be different when you come in here to see me again. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Because the next time I see you, if you haven't done something, you are going into custody. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all.
Shout out to that judge, man, because he handled that he handled that perfectly. I mean, that's how you're supposed to handle shit. I mean, guys, this woman owes 11,000 and change in restitution. What has this woman been doing? Whew. God. And one of the craziest things is, guys, women like this are raising children. They're raising boys. Seriously, there are a lot of women like this raising boys. She showed up in a bonnet. She showed up in a damn nightgown. I mean, guys, this woman showed up in a damn nightgown. Are you serious? You got to be fucking kidding me, man. And then she has the nerve to say, "Oh, I thought it was a visit." Lady, they didn't summon you to court to shoot the shit with you. I mean, lady, you really ain't got good. I mean, seriously, guys, this woman really ain't had good sense enough to show up to court dressed appropriately. Wow, this is shocking. But anyway, yo, this your boy Magical Poem, man. Let me know what you think in the comments, man. Like and subscribe, man. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.